Some tools don't just help you work, they make you wonder why no one thought of them sooner. Today, we're checking out smart tools that save time, solve problems, and make every job easier. The portable beveling machine is built for tough, continuous operation with a durable die-cast aluminum body, secure tool holder, hardened feed shaft, and precision gearbox. Its self-centering spindle, vibration-free performance, and reliable pneumatic or electric drive ensure smooth, accurate, and long-lasting beveling. This cordless table saw runs on the Neuron battery platform and offers a 90mm cutting depth with a 666mm rip capacity for wood cutting. Its lightweight body, optional foldable trolley, built-in accessory storage, and included safety and setup tools make transport, setup, and cutting faster and easier. The Bravex propane torch delivers powerful weed burning with electric automatic ignition, a 10-foot hose, and a lightweight handheld design. Its battery-powered pulse starter, durable brass fittings, and comfortable anti-slip handle make it easy to ignite, control, and use for outdoor burning tasks. Need to spread large areas quickly and evenly? The G2500 PRO gets the job done. Featuring a 270-liter capacity, a wide 1028mm working width, and adjustable spreading control, it ensures precise coverage with minimal effort. Its wheel-driven mechanism provides dependable performance, while clutch-equipped wheels make transportation smooth and hassle-free. Achieve flawless stone seams with the Raizi SeamV6. Equipped with powerful electric suction cups, precise alignment controls, and fine height adjustment, it helps create clean, tight, and perfectly level joints with ease. Whether you're working on mitered edges, butt joints, compound corners, or inside corners, this tool delivers professional quality results every time. Cut through tough materials with ease using this powerful 20-volt cordless reciprocating saw. Featuring a high-performance brushless motor, variable speed control, and quick keyless blade changes, it delivers fast and precise cuts every time. An integrated LED work light and ergonomic soft grip handle ensure comfort, control, and visibility, even in challenging workspaces. Get perfect tile cuts every time with the Raizi BumbleBee. Designed for porcelain, vitrified, and modern tiles, it combines precision and ease of use in one powerful tool. With 45-degree angle cutting, a laser guide, LED rail lighting, a stable hidden rail system, and an adjustable scoring wheel, it delivers smooth, accurate, and professional quality results on every cut. The Segan by Sealy Mini Toolbox is a compact 2-drawer toolkit packed with 111 essential pieces for everyday repairs, assembly, and maintenance. With organized EVA foam trays, soft grip tools, non-slip drawer liners, and a portable design, it keeps everything neat, secure, and ready to use. The Riding Arena Leveler Pro G2 keeps sand and fiber arenas even, consistent, and ready for daily riding. With adjustable tines, center and side blades, rear roller, electric actuator, and transport wheels, it loosens, levels, restores edges, and finishes the surface with ease. Power up faster and get back to work with this high-performance fast battery charger. Designed for Neuron batteries, it delivers an impressive 900 watts of charging power and 36 amps of current for rapid, efficient, and reliable charging. Spend less time waiting and more time getting the job done. Take your metal fabrication to the next level with the CrossFire Pro Max. This powerful 4x4 CNC plasma table features a true 48 by 48 inch cutting area, cuts materials up to 1 inch thick, and includes automatic torch height control for exceptional accuracy. With upgraded components for faster speeds, cleaner cuts, and greater precision, it's built to deliver professional quality results on every project. Make live-line clamp installation faster, safer, and more reliable with the Quick Mount Clamp Installation Tool. Featuring universal alignment, preset torque control, adaptive screw locking, and an emergency mechanical release system, it ensures secure and precise installations while reducing effort and improving efficiency in the field. Revivablade is a money-saving sharpener for oscillating multi-tool blades, designed to restore worn and blunt blades instead of throwing them away. Ideal for trade professionals, it helps extend blade life, reduce waste, and keep tools cutting efficiently. Speed up road marking projects with the Torgos T35 Road Dryer. Designed to quickly dry and clean wet surfaces, it removes mud, sand, dirt, and moisture to ensure crisp, high-quality markings. With excellent stability, up to 1 hour of continuous runtime, and powerful performance, it's the perfect solution for highways, airports, and large-scale drying operations. Upgrade your woodworking with Ultra-Shear spiral router bits. Combining razor-sharp, i.e. high-speed steel edges with advanced spiral cutting geometry, these bits deliver smooth, clean, and precise cuts every time. Available in 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch upcut, downcut, and compression styles, they offer professional quality performance at a fraction of the cost of solid carbide bits. The Ronix Chainsaw is a 20-volt brushless cordless chainsaw set with 2 batteries and a charger. It offers strong cutting performance, low kickback safety, soft grip control, low noise, and 0 emissions, making it ideal for pruning, gardening, farming, and woodcutting. Forget nails, screws, and drilling. No nail adhesive gets the job done with ease. This fast-curing, high-strength adhesive creates powerful bonds on a wide range of materials, including wood, MDF, concrete, metal, stone, ceramic, glass, marble, and granite. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, it delivers a clean, durable hold without the hassle. The 152-in-1 precision screwdriver set includes 140 CRV steel bits, long bits, and 12 accessories for phones, laptops, watches, glasses, and electronics repair. It features an adjustable handle, flexible shaft, magnetic mat, pry tools, and organized storage. The DTAPE laser measure offers fast 0.4-second measuring up to 100 to 65 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy. It features multiple measurement modes, data storage, a clear 2-inch HD display, and IP54 water and dust resistance. Build and repair network cables like a pro with this RJ45 Crimp toolkit. Designed for Cat 5e, Cat 6, and Cat 6A cables, it lets you cut, strip, crimp, and test with ease. Complete with connectors, protective covers, a wire stripper, cable tester, heavy-duty steel crimper, and replaceable sharp blades, it has everything you need for fast, accurate, and reliable cable installations. These tools prove that great design can turn hard work into smart work. From saving time to solving everyday problems, these inventions make life a whole lot easier. Which one impressed you the most? Stay tuned for more amazing tools that will make you wonder, how did I ever live without this?